Welcome to an overview of GAINS, which incorporates expert knowledge of evidence-based practices and provides instructors and caregivers real-time process and decision support that's updated based on learner performance. On the website, supervisors can add and personalize instructional programs. Let's start by adding a TA program. From the program category fields, we select the Brushing Teeth program to personalize teaching guidance for Joe. Options allow adding and removing steps, changing their order and prompt level, and choosing which step to target for teaching, such as open toothpaste. In therapy settings, we can select the chaining procedure. We can also specify criteria for progressing up and down the prompt hierarchy. Click Add to Path so instructors can use this program in the app. From the Students page, selecting Joe's trial-based programs shows the Brush Teeth TA. The program starts with setup and then presents the supervisor's customized step-by-step guidance and prompt level to guide the instructor. If Joe does not independently wet toothbrush, pressing the minus button provides guidance to use the gestural prompt. We record that Joe successfully completed the target step independently and that completed the remaining steps. Now let's return to the website and add a DTT program for Joe. Let's select matching identical pictures of actions from the program category boxes and teach 4 targets. A baseline will be assessed for each target indicated by the blue B. In therapy settings, we specify that 2 targets will appear in Joe's path at a time. Other settings address the maximum number of trials in the trial block. By clicking fields, we can customize settings for using fields or arrays. From criteria, we can set mastery criteria. For baseline, will require 100% across 3 trials. For each field size, we can specify when to change prompt level. From the Prompts tab, we can remove, add, or change the order of the prompts. Click Add to Path to see this in the app. Clicking on Throwing begins setup, then starts the baseline. If Joe responds correctly to all 3 trials, this target is mastered. Now throwing has been replaced by yawning. If Joe does not get 100% correct during baseline, GAINS immediately begins teaching trials. Instruction and prompting guidance are provided based on the supervisor's customization. If Joe responds incorrectly on 2 trials of gesture, the prompt level reverts to full physical. The app shows the number of trials and percentage correct at the top left. If Joe gets 6 trials correct and progresses to independent, the percentage increases with correct responses. After the 20 trial block, teaching ends and GAINS returns to Joe's path, where we'll still see the unmastered target yawning.